This your girl Stephanie B back again with another video, and this video is dedicated to Halloween. Yes, it's that season again, and the video I want to make is just how to do a cute DIY Halloween costume and get dressed for this Halloween party on a budget, because Halloween is only one day and I know I don't got the coins to be spending crazy money on Halloween. So first, as you see me in the video, I'm priming my face. I wash my face and I'm about to get this makeup done for this Halloween party. Excuse me for getting up because I just be moving around all the time. But I have oily skin, so this is the Cat Spun the translucent powder, I think it is. Yeah, because I pack it on my face because I have oily skin and it kind of helps keep my makeup together and make me not look like a disco ball at the end of the night. Now this is a color corrector. I use this like just to get rid of the like crazy dark spots in my face I feel like I need to get rid of. I feel like all of us kind of have those sometimes, but I just put it in like certain spots, not all over my face. And I blend it in with my hand. I just feel like it's way easier sometimes than to do the beauty blender, but like, as you can see, sometimes I do have to go back in and buff it on out. I'm always searching for my makeup. I can never find like the stuff I need to find. It's always everywhere, all over, everywhere. Now we getting these eyebrows together. Thankfully, they were already like pre-art, so I didn't really have to do too much to them. But you know, we just filling them in, making them look snatched, singing along to the music. Now this is like the Pro Girl concealer. I just kind of use this under my eyebrows to kind of just highlight them a little bit. I don't use a lot, and like I said, I am not a makeup artist, so for all the makeup gurus out there who might have something to say, I am not a professional at all. I just do what works for me. If it look cute for me, then I'm gonna keep it. And if I want to try something new that I see on YouTube or anywhere else, if I feel like it'll work, I'll try it. So we just getting those eyebrows together, honey. I think I put too much on the first one, but we're just gonna blend it out. It's alright. We're gonna make it work. And I was singing to the music. I was not talking to myself. So people might be like, oh, what is she doing? And some stuff I'm not in frame. So I was looking at the mirror. Like, I have a big bathroom mirror. So I was like checking the mirror mostly. I'm just going to slide a little bit of that concealer on them eyelids. So that way when we put our eyeshadow on, it will pop out a little bit more. This is the nude blush eyeshadow palette. I got this from Walgreens. And it has some really cute colors in it. For all the girls who like to do like neutral looks and stuff, it's really cute. had makeup on my finger and it got like all over my face, and I was like, what the heck? But it's okay, we're gonna get it together. And I always blend with my finger. I don't know why. It's just way easier for me sometimes to just blend with my finger. I feel like it gets the job done, so to speak. I cannot remember what color that was from the palette, but it's like the real pretty shimmery gold color. It was pretty. I cannot remember the name though. Okay guys, I am back. I was going to get my ring light because I could not see, and this is me doing my wing liner. I can never really get the wing right all the time. I always try to do it, but I can never always get it right. So, but no wing is perfect. So, but I think they're really cute to do. Now this is when I messed up on my wing and I had to go back and like redo it again. So this is just me fixing it. Okay, let's try this again. And I bought a pen, but it didn't work, so I had to use my old liquid eyeliner and merge it with my pen. And it took me a couple of tries to do this just to get it done because, you know, like I said, it's not always perfect, but I just always try to keep practicing. Now I was just going back in with the brush that I had a little bit of concealer already on, just to try to clean the last little bit of the wing look. And this is me going in with my black eyeliner. I feel like girls make the craziest faces when they put on makeup, but the end result is cute. So. I've always danced to the music. Now this is the contour palette. I really didn't use anything but the blush in here. Just put a little bit of blush on my cheeks. Not too much, but just enough. Now this is the Master Chrome Highlight in Rose Gold. I think this is so pretty. I love the highlights. It makes your whole look just look way better. And when I bought this, like, it was dropped. Like, I dropped it and cracked the whole thing. But I was like, I'm still going to use it because I bought it. And I had to dust off a little bit of that brush because sometimes it's, like, a lot of highlight on here. And I'm not trying to look like a walking stop sign. You know, you just want to glow lightly, okay? So I'm taking this smaller brush and putting it down the bridge of my nose. And on my cupid's bow. I sound like one of the real YouTubers. Oh, my cupid's bow. But I think it's really pretty. And jam into my song. And I put it in the corner of my eyes. I feel like music makes everything better when you're putting on your makeup. Now I am lining my lip with the black lip liner. Now the look I was going for this Halloween look was like a thug gangster cholo kind of look. And I'll probably see if I can like insert a picture. But I'm gonna go in and blend the ends out because I don't want it to look super duper harsh. So I'm just gonna blend it out. That was me going in with the NYX red matte lip. And I'm just kind of mixing it together to see what shade I really want. And this is the final look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll leave a link to all the things I bought to put this outfit together. And thank you guys so much. Enjoy.
Yeah.